Welcome to Washington, D.C., where history comes alive at every turn. Join us on an epic journey through the heart of the nation's capital as we explore its iconic museums, historic sites, and hidden gems. Number 1. Embark on a curated tour of the top 3 Smithsonian museums, including the National Air and Space Museum, Museum of Natural History, and Museum of American History. With reserved-timed entry passes, dive into the treasures of American history and innovation. Number 2. Step back in time with a VIP guided tour of Mount Vernon, the historic estate of George Washington. Cruise down the Potomac River, taking in panoramic views of DC's iconic sites before exploring the grounds and mansion of this legendary American landmark. Number 3. Uncover the secrets of Georgetown on a spine-chilling ghost tour. Traverse the historic streets and alleyways as you listen to tales of the supernatural and true crime stories, experiencing a side of the city that few dare to explore. Number 4. Indulge in a lavish brunch experience aboard a luxurious yacht cruising along the Potomac River. Sip on bottomless mimosas and feast on a sumptuous buffet while enjoying breathtaking views of the DC skyline. Number 5. Delve into the heart of American politics with a small group tour of Capitol Hill. Explore the U.S. Capitol and the Library of Congress with reserved entry, gaining insights into the nation's legislative process and cultural heritage. Number 6. Satisfy your sweet tooth on a delectable donut tour of Washington, D.C. Sample a variety of mouth-watering treats from local donut shops while learning about the city's history and landmarks. Number 7. Embark on a private exploration of one of America's most significant battlefields, Gettysburg. Discover the history and stories behind this pivotal moment in American history with a personalized tour led by expert guides. With these immersive tours, you'll uncover the rich tapestry of Washington, DC's history, culture, and legends. Stay tuned for more adventures from our channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Happy exploring!